This is a pretty common problem. This is a sliding glass door, and when I shut it and I try and lock it, I just can't get it to lock. And this has been going on for a long time. And this was the solution, a little hockey stick right here to stop the door from opening. But I'm gonna try and fix it, and I'm gonna try and fix it in a way where I don't have to buy anything to fix it. So there's three possible things that could be happening. Number one, this latch could just be junk right here. This whole door handle and mechanism might just have gotten old and it just doesn't work anymore. Number two, this could be a possibility, but that's not the case for this door. This right here, you might just have to adjust it. So you can see that there's kind of slots here. There's not screw holes, there's slots. So if that latch is just not lining up, is what has to happen is it goes up under here and catches so that you can't open the door. So if it's misaligned, you can loosen these screws, adjust this up or down, tighten those screws back in order to get that to latch. But what I think is happening, and I'm hoping I can fix it, is that I think the mechanism in here is just kind of clogged up with stuff, maybe grease and dirt over the years. So what I'm gonna try and do is this right here is supposed to come out that far. And if I pull it out that far, it will work like that for a little while, but it eventually ends up going back to doing this. So here's what I'm gonna try and do. I'm gonna take some WD-40, you can use PB Blaster, you can use any kind of lubricant you want. I'm not brand loyal to any of these companies, so I will use WD-40 in this case. And I'm just gonna take it and kind of spray it in here just to try and lubricate all these parts and get them moving again. So I'll spray some in there and then move this around a little bit. Look at that. No way. Is that all it took? I'll hold this. No way. Okay, well, I just surprised myself. I thought it might work, but I thought I was gonna have to do this a lot more. Yours might be so stuck that you might have to take some pliers and just kind of wiggle it around just to get that worked in there. I think that's gonna work. Let's see. Wow. So, this is my in-laws' house, and I've known my wife for almost 10 years, and for 10 years, they've never been able to lock this door. So, silly fixes like this sometimes just are really satisfying. That's why I'm kind of like giddy right now. So, if that was what was happening to yours, and that fixes it, then I'm very happy to help. Thanks for watching.